Making sure he gets the mud consistent. The way we need to have it is fairly thick and a little dry. That way it's easier to work until it's completely mixed thoroughly. Like peanut butter.
Oh, like just get wet.
Yeah, so basically if it's too thin, it's just not gonna hold the form, you know, it's just gonna run down.
Yeah, make it hard.
Yeah, but if it's too dry, it's very hard to work with. So it's gonna be, you know, some certain consistency that, you know. Working on the slope and working towards the drain from the walls, where the highest point is the wall is, and the lowest point where the drain is, so water can go down properly and don't stay in the corners and don't have a low spots or dips where they call.
If there's a little crack in there, like
There won't be.
there won't be.
Because that's why I keep working it. So you see this here? When I get done, it'll be smooth because I'm bringing up the water, and it'll go away.
Oh, okay. So water just connects.
It brings up this float brings up the water,
Yeah.
and then it'll turn into being smooth.
And it's getting bonded together, you know?
Yeah.
See the difference?
So it's a one solid surface.
So the more I work it, the more the water comes up, and it makes it a nice slick film.
Here, it's about 2 to 3 inches of the ground, depends on what we're doing. And he's using this line as a reference to have the straight line, so whenever you lay the tile, it's all on the same level. And then you're just working from this line down. This is fairly large shower pan. That's why we ended up making it in the 2 separate sections. So as you can see, this concrete where we're standing on is already dry. You want to do that to make sure you're doing the right slope angles. So you do one section first and let it dry, and use this as reference, and you work with the other section on the shower. You only do this one if you have an extra large showers, more than 10 foot wide, so you want to separate them in 2 different sections.
Is it important to have it really smooth?
Yeah, it's important because if you have any, by making it smooth, you can eliminate any or slopes or anything like that.
Yeah, you feel like goes up and goes down.
Because it's no good, because then your floor is going to show it.
How you know if it's smooth? Like, do you check it off?
The trained eye.
Yeah, you feel it with your float, you know.
Yeah, when I'm doing this, I'm working and I can feel it when you slope down.
You're like a master. Just check it out.
Yeah.
So you progressively go up from here?
Yes.
So it goes
This
down to
line
the
is the
drain.
same height, so I'm all the way around, but then I'm dipping down to the drain. So I'll make a slope just like that side over there.
How do you measure how many
Bags of concrete.
By the yardage.
Yeah, really, it has got to be some kind of formula. We just, to be honest, we just already kind of know eyeballing it. But I would say in a normal shower pan, you know, your 3x6 shower, walk-in showers, it's normally about 5 to 6 bags, right, James?
Yes, about 5.
Yeah, 5 bags. You know, this is just a more unusual size, and I think this pan is going to take about 20 bags of concrete. So, but normally, you know, it's just for your average shower, it's about 5. So as you can see how you're making like a circle motions. This way, if you want to make this like a circle around the drain for water to go down into it.
And nothing drastic.
Yeah, from the different angles, you know. You remember the drain is the lowest point. You want to have a consistent slope from the wall, from all the
common mistakes to watch out for?
Yeah, low spots and making sure it drains towards the drain.
So it goes towards the drain, like you gotta make sure that.
Yes. If you don't, then it'll always hold water in your brand new shower, which is no good. Like that. That's a low spot.
And you gotta make sure you don't have
No low spots. That's it.
Done.